Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video which is on comedy of manners. Comedy of manners. This form of dramatic genre was popular during the Restoration period and is considered synonymous with Restoration comedy. Restoration comedy, which was highly influenced by the French comedies of Molière. So, this was very popular during the Restoration period. These plays deal with the manners or codes of behavior among folks belonging to the middle classes and elite sections in a predominantly artificial society. The plots of such plays deal with intrigues, lust, and greed, and portrayed immoral relations among ladies and gentlemen living in a sophisticated society. This form relies upon high comedy and is derived from sparkle and wit of dialogues, violation of social traditions and good manners by nonsensical characters like jealous husbands, aspiring wits, sexually insatiable wives, widows, older women, and foppish dandies. This genre of comedy has been used by many Restoration dramatists and can be found particularly in Etheridge. Etheridge is the man of mode. Then Wycherley is the country wife. Concreve's the way of the world. All these are major examples for this kind of comedy of manners or Restoration comedy. Etheridge is the man of mode. Then Wycherley is the country wife. Concreve's the way of the world. Then it was later revived successfully in Oliver Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer, and also by Sheridan in his play The School for Scandal. They retain the essential features of this genre and reduce the element of obscenity. Okay, at first, Congreve, Wycherley, and Etheridge were the most famous writers of this kind of genre, and later Oliver Goldsmith and Sheridan also use this kind of writing. This genre was later revived successfully in the plays of Oliver Goldsmith and Sheridan. Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer and Sheridan's The School for Scandal are examples for this kind of works. They retain the essential features of this genre and reduce the element of obscenity in their plays. So these comedies, comedy of manners, Restoration comedies, had been widely criticized for their vulgar and morally depraved themes. Many critics like Jeremy Collier in his short view of the immorality and profanity of the English stage. In this work, he criticized this kind of comedies for their vulgar and morally depraved themes. Okay, in this kind of plays, in the Restoration comedy, the licentiousness of the subject matter. Okay, actually this was a severe reaction against the Puritan moral code. This Restoration comedy was a reaction against the Puritan moral code that was enforced during the Commonwealth period. But this received wide criticism by writers like Jeremy Collier. Okay, so this was all about Restoration comedy or comedy of manners.